Namaste everyone, this is Suchi. I am a life coach. I help people to transform their lives to live the best version of themselves. Welcome to my channel Life Lights. Today I'm going to talk to you about an emotion, and this emotion is guilt. It's a part of many human being. It tries to tell you a message, and if you understand what message is there, you are going to come out of it. Guilt is something when you violate your highest standard, and if you take care of that standard, you can come out of guilt. Now, in my own perspective, I want to touch today about mom's guilt. But mom's guilt is not only an internal factor, and it's not always related to the highest standard, because there are many external influences that come and try to bring that guilt into a mom's life. Whether she is a working mom, whether a homemaker, whether a part-time worker, or whether a mom who has bottle fed a baby or breastfeed a baby, or someone who is trying to prioritize few of her needs, a mom who is trying to eat before baby, or any stage of the life, moms are always being judged, and the judgment comes from external factor, as well as they try to keep judging their own parenting. Dear moms, try to understand that every child is different and every child's need is different. Every parenting is different and every parenting style is different. And there are many ways to be a perfect mom. If you are comparing your parenting or your child either through social media or some of your friends, or because some external auntie has come and told you something, please don't hurt yourself and don't allow yourself to enter into the guilt zone. Remember that every child is different, and child always prefer that special moments in their life. They don't require hours and hours spent with them. But if you give the time, which is a quality time, they would enjoy this moment for their entire life, because that will be there in their mind. Once you have realized that guilt is something that is happening to you, it's very important that you start journaling. You start writing where is this guilt coming from, whether it is inside or due to some external factor. What are the causes behind it? Because guilt is trying to send you some message. It's telling you to deviate your mind to prioritize something else, whether the guilt is coming to look after your child or it is coming to look after yourself or your work. Also remember that self-love is not selfish. If you look after yourself, have compassion and kindness towards yourself, the love that you will do to yourself will pour back to your child, because you are filling your own cup. Your heart is filled with love. The more love you have, more will you be able to deliver it to your child. Also, it is very important to understand that every child has different kind of needs, and we talk about equal parenting or father playing a role in a child's upbringing, but then moms know the best is the concept that comes in between. The mother spends 6 months or most of her maternity leave spending with the child, where father is not spending that amount of time with the child. And when the father is even trying to look after the child, it comes to a point where he'll keep on asking the mom, okay, how it has to be done, where it has to be done. For father, it is very much required to train themselves to free a mom completely, so that she can prioritize her own needs for at least few moments every day or weekly or monthly. And if that is not possible, moms, please try to look after yourself. Also remember that source of the sun's energy is very important. Vitamin D is important for your body as well as your child's body. And make sure that you try to come out of the situation which you are imbibing into your life as guilt and stopping yourself to live a beautiful and a best life. And if it is not helping you out, please don't stop yourself from connecting with me. Let me help you understand deeper into your life that why this guilt factor is affecting your life. Take care of yourself. God bless you. Love you. Have a wonderful time.